Hello, I'm Rameline of Milan's Craft, and today I will show you how I did these cute scrunchies here, so please stay tuned. These are the materials that we need. First, we make a slip knot. Then chain as long as twice the circumference of the elastic band. This is to give our scrunchie that wrinkly, ruffly effect. So here's what I got. It was double the size of the elastic band with a little bit of an allowance. Now for row 1, put 1/2 double crochet on the third chain from the hook. Then make 1/2 double crochet all the way up to the last chain. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work, then do the ribbed stitch. By the way, before we start the next row, let me first explain how to do the ribbed stitch for those who are beginners in crocheting. So here, as you can see, a stitch has 2 loops, which is this V shape here. Normally, when we do a stitch, we usually go through both 2 loops. Here is the front loop, and this is the back loop. But with the ribbed stitch, we will insert our hook on the back loop only, here. So let's start the ribbed stitch. First, yarn over, then insert your hook on the back loop only, and pull through. We now have 3 loops on our hook, 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over again and go through 3 loops. Yarn over again, insert your hook on the back loop only, yarn over, then pull through 3 loops. That's how simple it is. So repeat the process, then I will meet you back again before the last stitch so I can show you how to end this row. So now I'm here on the last stitch. What we are going to do is to just simply make a half double crochet. This time we will go through both loops. Now here's how the 2 rows look like. So for row 3 to row 8, just repeat what we did with row 2 by chaining 1, then turning your work and putting 1/2 double crochet on the back loop only on each of the stitches around, except for the last stitch where you will put 1/2 double crochet on both the 2 loops. And just a reminder, make sure to count your stitches to have an even work. After the 8th row, chain 1 and turn your work. Then grab your elastic band and we will wrap our work around the elastic band by making slip stitches from the back loop of the last row with the chains on the start of our work. When slip stitching, just make sure that your stitches are aligned. Once you are done with the joining, chain 1, then cut the yarn. Tie both yarns together to secure them. Next, we will proceed with the sewing part and we will sew both the ends together to close it. In here, you can do whichever method of sewing you like as long as it is neatly done. we are done. One thing I like about this scrunchie is that the elastic band does not show up when it is being stretched. And I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget also to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated of my next videos. Thank you.